Before everybody rushes down to the comments to let us know that titanium makes a terrible knife, we know we are making a titanium knife because it sounds cool. Why are we making a titanium knife?
It's gonna look cool.
Patrick told me to do it.
And we can anodize it, so that's why we're making a titanium knife. We know it will be a crappy knife, but that's not why we're doing this.
It's also lightweight, so easier to chop.
Mitchell's
More
wrists
chops per hour.
are very fragile, so
Frail wrists.
frail wrists.
Chopped.
Like carpal tunnel.
So we've got our design already drawn up, and we're just gonna do like a smaller, like a kitchen pairing / utility knife. But to make sure we've got a good design, because titanium is expensive and we don't want to waste it, we're gonna cut a couple test pieces out of wood, see if we like the design. Does that give you enough material for?
We can make
is that
it
a little
work.
Too skinny.
This will be a cute knife, cute as Christmas, for sure. But I think we can go up another inch. It'll still look good.
That's the scaled up version next to the original version.
You can get your whole hand on there, where this one's like pinky's hanging off.
And how do you feel?
Feels knifey. I think I could stab something.
That's the first step. Next step is we got to grind it and put kind of a knife edge on it. We cut 3 out because we are likely to screw up at least one of them. So
If we could get one something that resembles a knife, we'd be great.
we'll call that a win.
One good knife.
Now we've got our table, which is at parallel with the ground. And then this platen here, we've rotated this one so that it's coming in at a bit of an angle. And then with this piece of tubing right here, we can kind of set the knife on that and then slowly feed it into the belt there, and it'll give us kind of our angle right there for our knife grind. So here is as far as we are going to take it. We've still got enough of an edge there to do a sharpening edge, do that final angle there. But the next step is going to be making some beautiful handle scales. And we're leaving that to you because
That's where I come in.
you've got lots of cool materials.
Yeah. So I'm trying to think what we should do. This is titanium, so it's super lightweight. So we could do something to match that, like wood's not super heavy. But I thought it'd be cool to do something a little more special. This is true stone. And what I'm thinking, I've got an electric anodizer that I can anodize this titanium like gold or purple or blue. So we can give it a really kind of unique color. That will kind of go well with the crazy malachite true stone we've got here. So we'll think it over. Not quite certain what design we want to go with, but we've got a lot of cool options. We'll figure something cool out.
Nice.
Nice.
Nice knife!
So if you guys want to see how that process works of anodizing the titanium, also how he shapes the handle material, attaches that to the handle, go check out Patrick's video. We'll have a link down there in the description, or you can just go to Patrick Adair Designs on YouTube and you'll find the video there. And then if this looks like something that you guys would want to try and do, make your own knife, not necessarily out of titanium, we actually have a website where we help you do that. We sell Waterjet cut knife blanks out of knife quality steel that you can then grind, file, shape down into your own knife. These are all of our current knives that need to be shipped out. We've got quite a few of them. These are all being shipped out today. but if you order yours, we will cut one out. You can get it surface ground to kind of take off the mill scale, so it's a little bit cleaner, easier to work with. But just go to our website, waterjetknives.com, and you can order your own knife so that you can make one, because that's cooler than just buying a knife that's already made.
Waterjet knives, the nicest, knifiest knives this side of the Nile. To watch part 2 of this video, where Patrick anodizes the titanium, click here. To watch me shoot mustard at Dan's face with the air cannon, click down here. To subscribe, click over here by my loins. And if you'd like to buy a knife, click my face-ish here. Please subscribe. Please.